Somebody done woke up the speed freak.
Hey, today's your big day, little dude.
What?
You about to get them trunk cheeks spread.
Ain't nobody spreading nothing.
Yeah, they gonna get that long, super industrial strength snap-on camera and go swoop, swoop, swoop.
Oh, I wouldn't mind installing a long, deep industrial camera up in you.
Hey, yo!
Get your little Hello Moto piano playing Hellfire kitty cat back here, boy. Let me buff that bumper.
Listen here, ain't no camera going anywhere near me.
Ooh, they gonna bring out the S20 on you.
Wait, why would they put a phone in me?
Nah, it sees everything, bruh.
I ain't going.
You got to. We all do.
I ain't no simp. I do what I want.
Bro, you ain't gotta be a simp, but I mean, it ain't for the faint of heart.
What?
It's okay to be afraid. Little girls like you get away with it all the time.
I've seen 8-year-old girls who can drive better than you freaking no-start Mopar.
At least I ain't the one about to get probed today. Hey there now. Stop scaring the little speed devil. Huh? Somebody call me?
Listen here, little speed devil. Going to get a regular checkup is harmless. Look at me.
You owe this dirt.
And even with 2 gears, 2 flats, and 2 cylinders, I can put you in my rear view for 2 miles. So you can take your 2 cents and invest it before I embarrass you, boy.
My bad, dude. Dang, my bad.
Hey, but I ain't scared. I ain't scared of nothing. Then why you hub bearing wobbling like that, son?
Hey, now calm your jets.
I mean, literally, calm your jets. What? What's gonna happen when I get there? I mean, it's really nothing. They just do a few tests.
Ha! They gonna do you like they did Rory's cousin in Ferris Bueller's Day Off. Ah, such a lovely day. I'm exactly where I need to be. Polished, pampered, premium, well taken care for. Unlike a, let's say, a Mustang. Nope. Yeah, I'm gonna let this one go. Yeah, I'm gonna just let this one go.
I don't need no stinking test. Getting your cylinders examined and a little dyno test ain't gonna do no harm to you. Dyno? What do they do?
Oh, a dyno.
Shit, you gonna love that one. You get to be your true self, all power. I like that! But the camera? Well, there's nothing. They just take a little one and they just take a peek at each one of your cylinders just to make sure that you don't have anything scorned or no abrasions around. Yeah? The more power you plan on putting down means that everything needs to be in tip-top shape. Like those bolt-on guys? Well, not necessarily. Bolt-ons are great. You just can't be lazy when doing things like that. Laziness and rushing a job is the fastest and easiest way to break something. But I ain't broke! And that's exactly how we want to keep you. Hell, if you let yourself go, you might mean your own doom. Did somebody say Zoom?
Damn it, Mazzi, chill.
Never. That's right, nephew.
Come on, Mazzi, I gotta get you to your appointment.
No.
What? Come on, man, I really ain't got time for that. I gotta get on Discord, I got things to do, I got a class to teach. Please don't make this harder than it already is.
No, I mean...
What is it?
I want Grandpa Classic to take me.
What? Speak up, I can't hear you.
I said I want Boss to take me.
I don't think he...
Go on about your day, 7. I'll take it from here. I'll be okay. Y'all acting like I didn't raise a few GT500s in my day.
Mazzi, well... Okay, look, well, here's his tune, here's his extra ECU, here's another turbo, because, well, accidents happen. Shoot, am I forgetting something?
7, stop embarrassing me. I got it, son. Like Allstate, he's in good hands.
Hey, I do that!